So welcome back students. Now we will discuss how to solve the linear equations system of linear equation using the method of matrices. And this method is called Morton's rule. Morton's rule means solving system of linear equations. Solving system of linear equations using matrix method. So first we will discuss linear equation in two variables. We have studied in lower classes the method to solve simultaneous linear equation of two variables. Simultaneous linear equations. Like a1x plus b1y equals to c1, a2x plus b2y equals to c2. So first we form them, change them into matrix equation. So first matrix is formed by the coefficients of x and y. In first row a1 b1, in second row a2 b2. Into there will be a column matrix having the two elements x comma y in its column, and remember this is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. This is the matrix of order 2 cross 1. So when we find the product will be a matrix of order 2 cross 1 again. So these are the matrix equations which are formed by the simultaneous linear equation of two variables only. If we assume this matrix first as A, matrix x comma y as x, and matrix C1, C2 as B. Assuming that the first matrix A1, B1, A2, B2 equals to A, the second matrix XY equals to X, the third matrix C1, C2 equals to B. So how to find X now? If we multiply both sides by A inverse. A inverse into AX equals to A inverse into B. It implies now A inverse A is I into X equals to A inverse into B. Now I into X is X itself, which is also equal to A inverse B. So we can now easily solve this matrix equation by first finding A inverse. A inverse means inverse of this matrix A1, B, A2, B1, B2, A1, B1, A2, B2 we can say. And then using multiplying it by B, that is C1, C2 column matrix. And first X is also column matrix XY, and comparing these results. For example, if we take a metric equation like I'm taking it from so if we take this question as an example, x plus 2y equals to 2 and 2x plus 3y equals to 3. Clearly, first of all, we will change it to a matrix equation. First by the coefficient 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 being the second row, xy is the column matrix equals to the resultant column matrix, which is 2, 3. So if we consider the first matrix equation as A, the column matrix xy as X, and the column matrix 2, 3 as B. So how to solve it? For this, first we have to find A inverse. We have assumed that A equals to the matrix 1, 2, 2, 3. X equals to the matrix xy. B equals to the matrix 2, 3. So if we find A inverse and multiply it with A, it becomes I equals to A inverse B. Now A inverse A equals to I into X equals to A inverse B. I means identity matrix, which when multiplied to any other matrix forms X into A inverse B. Clearly, how to find A inverse? We know that A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. And when A equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, then at determinant of A will be obtained by 3 ones are 3 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1. So 1 upon minus 1 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is obtained by changing the elements of principal diagonal. 1, 3 becomes 3, 1. And changing the sign of second diagonal, though both the elements are same, we have to change their sign only from plus to minus into B, and matrix B is the column matrix 2, 3. Now 1 upon minus 1 is minus 1 only. First we will multiply these two matrices. So column by row by column. First row 3 minus 2. So 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. And second row is minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 equals to minus 1 into 6 minus 6 minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1 into 0 minus 1 equals to 0, 1, which is equal to the column matrix x, y. So on comparing x equals to 0, y equals to 1 are the solution of the equation. Let's check whether these solutions are correct or not. X equals to 0, y equals to 1. So if we substitute it in this, x into 0 plus 2 into 1 equals to 2. Second, 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1 equals to 0 plus 3, 3. So yes, these solutions are correct. So hope you must have understood how to solve the system of linear equations with two variables using matrix method. So now we will discuss the system of linear equation with three variables. System of linear equations with three variables. So how to solve the system of linear equations with? So let's now solve this question involving linear equation with three variables. So first of all, we will form a matrix with the coefficients only. First row 5, 1, minus 1. Second row 4, minus 2, minus 3. Third row 7, 2, 2. These are the coefficients of x, y, and z in three equations. And this is the matrix formed by these three rows. Into the second column matrix is formed by x, y, and z. And its product is 7, 5, 7, which is formed by these three. Okay. So after finding this, we assume that The first matrix is A, the second is X, XYZ equals to B. So what we have assumed? We have assumed that the matrix A equals to 5, 1, minus 1, 4, minus 2, minus 3, 7, 2, 2. And to find X, what should we do? X equals to, we know that A inverse B. Means first of all, we have to find A inverse. So how to find A inverse? This we have discussed in earlier sessions that to find A inverse, first we have to find all the cofactors related to this matrix. A11, A12, A11, A12, then A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and finally A33. So how to find them? These are the determinant which are obtained by deleting first row. A11 means determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column, and it will be positive. First is positive, second is negative. Reason I have told you, but you can learn also plus minus plus the first row, second row minus plus minus, and then again plus minus plus. Or we can learn for 3 cross 3, it is alternating plus minus only for 3 cross 3 matrix. Plus minus plus minus plus minus, and then finally plus minus plus. And A11 is obtained by deleting first row and first column. So it gives the matrix is a determinant minus 2, minus 3, 2, 2 equals to cross multiply minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 2 into minus 3, 6. This determinant, you all know how to find the value of a determinant. Still, I am telling you, first we cross multiply these two, minus 2 into 2, minus, then we multiply these two, 2 into minus 3, and then we find their difference, minus 4 plus 6 equals to 2. So the first determinant is 2. The second determinant is obtained by cancelling the first row and second column. So it gives the first row 4 minus 3, second row 7, 2 equals to 4 2s are 8 minus 21. 8 plus 21, 29, and it is multiplied by minus 1. So the value is minus 29. Similarly, we will find the other determinant also. 4 2s are 8 minus 21 means 8 plus 21, 29, which is minus 21. Then the third is obtained by deleting first row and third column. So how to delete first row and third column? For this, first row, third column will be deleted. So the result is 4 minus 2, 7, 2. So it gives 4 2s are 8 plus 14, 22. Next is obtained when we delete second row, first column. Second row, first column. So the remaining is 1, minus 1, 2, 2. So it is 2 plus 2, 4, and will be multiplied by minus. So 2 plus 2, 4, when multiplied by minus, it gives minus 4. The next is A22. So how to find A22? Means this is obtained by deleting second row with second column. So finally it gives 5 minus 1, 7, 2. So what will be the result? Think about the result. It will be 5 2s are 2 minus 7. So 2 plus 7, 9. Again 2 3. So 2 3 is obtained by deleting second row, third column. So the matrix will be 5 1 7 2, which is equal to 5 to the 10 minus 7 3, and it will be when multiplied by minus it becomes minus 3. Then next is when 2, 3, 1 means by deleting third row, first column, we get what? 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Okay. Minus 3, 1 into minus 3 and minus 1 into minus 2, 2. And minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Again, the next is obtained when we delete third row and second column. Third row, second column. So it gives 5, 4, minus 1, minus 3. That is minus 15 plus 4, minus 11. Minus of minus 11 is plus 7. Minus 15 plus 4. Minus 11 into minus 1 is plus 11. So we have almost done this. Now we have to find only one determinant, which is obtained by deleting third row, third column. So the remaining is 5, 4, 1, minus 2. Okay. So this is how we can now this is 2. Find the determinant. Minus 10 minus 4 is minus 40. Okay. Now we find the matrix C, which is the matrix formed by these cofactors. This is actually not the adjoint. This is compulsory. This is an intermediate matrix only, which will be used to find the determinant of order 3 cross 3. We have the inverse adjoint of A, in which adjoint of the matrix of order 3 cross 3. So A11 is 2, minus 29, 22. Second row is 22, minus 4. Sorry, it is minus 4 only. Minus 4. A22 is 9. A23 is minus 3. A31 is minus 5. A32 is 11 and A33 is minus 14. And adjoint of A, remember, is the transpose of this matrix, which is formed by the cofactors. So row will be converted to column, column will be converted to row. 2 minus 4 minus 5, minus 29, 9, 11, 22, minus 3, minus 14. So this is adjoint of A. Then to find A inverse, we require determinant of A, that is determinant of the matrix which is formed by the coefficient. The first row is 5, 1, minus 1. Second row is 4 minus 2, minus 3. 4 minus 2, minus 3. The third row is 7, 2, 2. 7, 2, 2 is the third row. So it is obtained by 5 into the determinant obtained by deleting first row, first column, which is minus 2, minus 3, 2, 2 equals, then minus 1 into determinant obtained by deleting first row, second column. 4, 4, 7, minus 3, 2. And then determinant obtained by deleting First row, third column, that is plus minus 1 into the first we write the element minus 1. Then determinant obtained by deleting. First row, third column, 4, 7, minus 2, 2, and then find its value. 5 into minus 4 plus 6, minus 1 into 8 plus 21, minus 1 into 8 plus, this is minus 2. So 4 to the 8 plus 14, which is 5 to the 10 minus 29 minus 22, that is 10 minus 51, it is minus 41. So determinant of A is minus 41. Check it once whether it is correct or not. So we will do the further. So after finding A inverse, which is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, A inverse we know that is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. We have obtained determinant of A minus 41. So 1 upon minus 41 into adjoint of A, which we have calculated here. Adjoint of A. So we have used here. And B means the determinant obtained by the column 7, 5, 7. So now we multiply these. 7 2s are 14, 2 7s are 14 minus 4 5s are 20 minus 5 into 7 is minus 35. Second row, 29 7s are 203. So minus 203, 9 5s are 45 plus 11 7s are 77. Then 22 7s are 154 minus 15 minus 90 equals to minus 1 by 41. 14 minus 55. 14 minus 55 minus 41 itself. 203 plus 122 is 45 plus 77, 102, and minus 203. So it is giving 101, means 101. 29 sevens are, check it, is it 203 or not? 140 plus 63, yes it is. 9 5s are 45 plus 77, okay, correct. Then finally 22 sevens are 154 minus 113, 4 minus 3 1, 5 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 1 4, 4 minus 3 1, so it is also 41, okay. And this is equal to x, y, z. So there is a calculation mistake. This must be 5 2s are 10 plus 7, 17. That's why we are not getting the correct answer. This is now 22. Sorry, what is this? Five 2s are 10 plus 10, 17. In place of 9, it will be 17 only. So it must also be 17. And this is also 17. This is also 17. When it is not divisible by 41 means there is something wrong. 17 5s are 85. So it will give minus 41. So when we divide all of them with minus 41, 1 minus 1, which is the value of x, y, z. So x equals to 1, y equals to 1, and z equals to minus 1 are the answers. That's it. So hope you all must have understood. And when there is something wrong in second row, so we have to check only the second row. So we have found the mistake in second row, second column, which must be 17. By mistake, it was written 9. So it is giving now the correct answer. So this is the method how we can solve the simultaneous linear equations of 3 variables and the 2 variables using matrix method. Okay, hope you all must have understood. So practice them and continue to ask your doubts in comment.